Good morning students, welcome back to the online class of Bardon Model School. So this is your science class. As you know that we have already completed our chapter number 1, question answer also has been completed. So today we will be starting a new chapter number 2, that is keeping safe. Okay, so I think all of you have your book with you now. So this is chapter number 2, keeping safe. Keeping safe. In the previous class we have already completed the chapter, question answer has been completed. I think all of you are learning the question answer, you are memorizing the question answer. You will go through the chapter and you will also learn the question answer, memorize it. Okay, so all of you will be having your book with you now, science book. Yes, and you must open chapter number 2, keeping safe. Okay, all of you open chapter number 2, keeping safe, page number 11. So let me write the page. This page number 11. In this chapter we will be learning the different safety rules we should follow every time okay, when we are out of the home or anywhere, in the school, in the playground, everywhere. Okay, accidents may occur anywhere, anytime without giving any warning. So we are learning first how do accidents occur. Okay, so accidents may occur anywhere, anytime without giving any warning. Accidents usually occur due to our carelessness. So why do accidents occur? This question is very important for here. Why do accidents occur? Why do accidents occur? Accidents usually occur due to our carelessness, because when we are not careful, every time or anywhere we are meeting with an accident. So look at the picture carefully. See the picture, the two boys are having the conversation with each other. See the first boy, he is telling to another one, say, Raja, let us paint together. Another boy is telling, no, I can't, my finger got. Another boy is telling, no, I can't, my finger got cut with the blade when I was sharpening my pencil. Okay. See the another boy, he has cut his finger because he is sharpening the pencil with a blade. So what should you do? You should sharpen your pencil with a sharpener. Then another picture, you can see the picture at page number 11, at the top of the page. See page number 11. See the two girls, they are having conversation with each other. See the first girl, he is telling to another one, Renu, let us go to play. The girl with that bandage on her leg, what she is telling, Rani, I slipped on the toy car. I left it on the floor and hurt myself. So she is telling that as he has hurt his leg and she is having a bandage on her leg, she can't go to play now. So you should always be careful while playing, while running, every time, everywhere, every time you should be careful, because when you will be careful, then accidents will never occur. So accidents occur means accidents happens all the time when we are careless. We should follow safety rules all the time to avoid accidents. So everywhere, every time we should follow the safety rules to avoid accidents. Safety while, so we are learning here safety rules. Now the topic is safety while traveling in a bus. Let us see what safety rules we should follow while traveling in a bus. Number 1, stand in a queue at the bus stop while boarding the bus. No, nobody will write this anything. You just follow the book, you will underline what I will tell you. When you have to write, I will tell you. Okay. So, number 1 safety rules while you are traveling in a bus. Suppose you are going for a picnic or while traveling to a long distance, what safety rules you should follow while traveling in the bus? Number 1, stand in a queue at the bus stop while boarding the bus. So, you should stand in a queue, that means you should make a proper line, then you will get in the bus, then you will board the bus, means getting in the bus. Number 2, do not lean out or put your hand out of the window of a moving bus. So, you should not lean out or put your hand out of the window of a moving bus. Number 3, do not get in or out of a moving bus. You should not get in or get out of a moving bus. Number 4, never disturb the bus driver. We should keep quiet while traveling in a bus. So, while traveling, you should not disturb the bus driver. You should always remain quiet. You should not shout or you should not talk to everyone all the time. So, you should remain quiet there and you should not disturb the bus driver. So, these are the safety rules you should follow while traveling in a bus. Once more I am repeating, nothing to write in your science copy now, you will just listen, I am explaining it. So, number 1, stand in a queue at the bus stop while boarding the bus. You should make a proper line, then you get in the bus. Number 2, do not lean out or put your hand out of the window of a moving bus. Number 3, do not get in or out of a moving bus. Number 4, never disturb the bus driver. We should keep quiet while traveling in a bus. See here the picture, all of you will follow the picture on page number 11. See that safety rules while traveling in a bus. First one, that is tick mark, means that one is a correct safety rules. See the boys, the children, they have, the students or the children have made a line, they have made a proper line, they are getting in the bus. Then at the bottom of the picture, this is the first picture, see the boy is leaning out of the window of the moving bus. You should not, do not lean out of the window of a moving bus. Then next one, see the boy is getting down from the moving bus. So, do not get in or out of a moving bus. See then next picture, see the boy is holding the eyes of the driver, bus driver. We should not, so you should not disturb the bus driver. Then we will be going to the next page. All of you will move to page number 12 now. Page number 12. Okay. Now, safety rules on the road. Safety rules on the road. So, you must follow these safety rules on the road. Number 1, always walk on the footpath. Number 2, never play on the road. Number 3, do not run across the road. Number 4, always use zebra crossing or subway or foot overbridge to cross the road. So, while you are crossing the road, you remember to cross the road at the zebra crossing or use a subway or a foot overbridge to cross the road. Number 5, you should cross the road only when the pedestrian traffic light is green. Suppose the traffic signal is red in color, so you should stop there immediately. You should not move while the traffic signal is or pedestrian traffic light is green, then you will be moving. Number 6, when there is no traffic light, look to the right, then to the left and again to the right. Cross the road when it is clear. So remember, when there is, suppose there is no traffic light on the road, so what will happen? You will not cross the road. Yes, you will cross the road. You will just look to the right, first to the right, then to the left, then again to the right. If you see there is no vehicles are coming, if the road is clear, then you will cross the road. Okay, understood everyone? Pedestrian means those who are walking on the road, that one. That symbol. So that symbol means you must have been seeing the traffic signal. Walking signal is given in the green color. That one. That is the pedestrian. Okay. Number 7, stay on the left side of the road while riding a bicycle. So while riding a bicycle, you should always stay on the left side of the road. Okay. So once again, I will tell this, the safety rules you should follow on the road. Number 1, always walk on the footpath. Number 2, never play on the road. Number 3, do not run across the road. Number 4, always use the zebra crossing or subway or foot overbridge to cross the road. Then number 5, you should cross the road only when the pedestrian traffic light is green. Then number 6, when there is no traffic light, look to the right, then to the left and again to the right. Cross the road when the road is clear. Number 7, stay on the left side of the road. Okay. Stay on the left side of the road while riding a bicycle. Now we will learn safety rules in the playground. Same page, page number 12, safety rules in the playground. Safety rules you should follow in the playground. See, look, we all the time like to play. No, we like to play. We do not like to study more. We like to play each time in the playground or in the ground or in our home. So, what safety rules you should follow while playing? So, you must follow these safety rules in the playground so that you and your friends are safe. So, we will be learning the safety rules we should follow in the playground so that you and your friends are safe. Number 1, while playing, always follow the rules of the game. Remember what you are playing. Suppose you are playing football, you are playing cricket, you are playing basketball, anything you are playing, you should always follow the rules of the game. Then do not play rough games. You should not play rough games. Suppose you and your friend, you are telling each other, okay, let us go and fight each other. This is a game. No, you should not. You should always play a fair game, which is good for you. You will play that game. Suppose you should play football, you should play cricket there. You should fight each other in the playground. So never play rough game. Always play fair game. Next, number 3, while playing at the swings, merry-go-round or seesaw, do not push each other. Wait for your turn. So while you are playing at the swing, suppose you want to play at the swing, you just want to sit on the swing, okay, or you just want to get on the merry-go-round or on the seesaw, please wait for your turn. Do not push anyone. Wait for your turn, then you will get up on the playground, in the merry-go-round or on the seesaw or at the swing. Okay, so these are the safety rules we should follow in the playground. See the picture, all of you can see the picture. do not play rough games. Suppose these two boys, they are throwing the ball each other. So that boy with the cap, red cap, he has thrown the ball to another one. See the face of the boy. So you should not play any rough game. So what are the safety rules you should follow in the playground? While playing, always follow the rules of the game. Do not play rough games. Number 2, while playing at the swing, merry-go-round or seesaw, do not push others, wait for your turn. Now there is one green info. All of you will follow that green info. That green color box is there on page number 12. I am telling that one. Please refer to that page number 12. Keep the playground clean. Always you should keep the playground clean. If you throw fruit peel or plastic bags there, you may slip on them while playing. So you should not make your playground dirty. Always use the waste bin or the dustbin to throw such thing. Means you should throw plastic bags there, fruit peels there, anything you want to throw, you should throw in the waste bin or the dustbin. Okay. Now there is one MCQ. We will solve those MCQ, then we will end the class. Okay. All of you will do their work in the book. You use your pencil to do the work. Now MCQ page number 12. MCQs, same page, page number 12. All of you will follow that one. Number 1, we should stay on the dash side of the road while riding a bicycle. So what is the correct option? Is it right? Is it left? Is it middle? Yes. What is it? It is left side. We should always be on the left side while riding a bicycle. Now number 2. Okay, number 2. In a bus, we must keep what? Dancing, disturbing the driver, or quiet? What is the correct answer? Yes, it is quiet. You should remain quiet. You should not shout each other. So it is quiet. So number 1, we should stay on the left side of the road while riding a bicycle, and number 2, in a bus we must keep quiet. We should not shout with each other. Okay. Okay, students, today up to this much we have learned. Next day we will be learning some more safety rules you should follow at your home or in the school or in the classroom. We should be learning that thing next day. So till now we have read the safety rules. First of all, why do accidents occur? You know, accidents occur due to our carelessness. Then we have learned safety rules you should follow while traveling in a bus. Then we have learned safety rules on the road. Then we have also learned safety rules you should follow in the playground. Okay. Okay. So next day we will be starting from page number 13. So till then, thank you everyone and bye.